again, I'm Mike from Rogala Photography, where we talk about everything photography. Whether you're just starting your photography journey or looking to brush up on the basics, understanding the foundational rules can significantly improve your shots. But remember, creativity knows no bounds, and sometimes breaking these rules can lead to extraordinary results. Today, we're diving into 5 essential photography rules every beginner should know, and when it might be the time to bend or break those rules for the sake of the art. So let's get started. First up, the rule of thirds. Imagine dividing your frame into 9 equal segments with 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines, placing your subject along these lines or at their intersections, making your photo more balanced and visually appealing. However, there are times when to break this rule, especially when symmetry or central composition offers a more powerful statement. Think bold, direct, and impactful. Next, we have leading lines. This rule uses neutral lines, or natural lines, I should say, to guide the viewer's eye through the photo, often leading to the main subject. It's a great way to create depth and perspective. But not all images need a clear path. Sometimes embracing chaos or a lack of direction can evoke mystery and curiosity, making your audience linger longer on your photo. Rule 3 advises against cluttered backgrounds, promoting simplicity to keep the focus on your subject. Yet, a busy background isn't always a no-go. When done right, it can add context, tell a richer story, or create a sense of place. Hey, I'm not sure if you knew this or not yet, but I have a photography newsletter that you can sign up for. I'll include my latest videos, expert photography tips, and all the exciting news from Rogala Photography. Sign up now and never miss an update on enhancing your photography skills and keeping up with my journey as a photographer and also with my site. You can sign up at the link in the description below. It's free and I absolutely hate spam, so I won't be sending you any. When you sign up, you'll also get a free PDF download that includes all the keyboard shortcuts in Lightroom Classic. Use the link in the description below to receive your download. Also, while you're down there, if you could please subscribe to my channel and click that like button, it really does help the channel. So thank you all for your support. I really appreciate it. The 4th rule is all about getting the perfect exposure. Overexposed or underexposed photos can lose detail in the highlights or shadows, but playing with the exposure can yield dramatic effects like high key or low key photography, where embracing the extremes enhances the mood and emotion of your image. Last but not least, sharp focus. Generally, your subject should be in clear focus to capture attention and convey your message. However, there's a place for soft focus or motion blur to convey movement, mood, or a dreamlike quality. It's all about the feeling you want to invoke. Think about if you're taking a picture of a race car going around the track. You're going to have a lot of motion blur in there. Well, there you have it. 5 foundational rules of photography and when to consider breaking them. Remember, rules of photography are more like guidelines. They provide a starting point, but your vision, creativity, and the story you want to tell should always lead the way. Don't be afraid to experiment and step outside the box. That's often when the magic really happens. But remember, you have to learn the rules before you can break them. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and click that like button. It really does help. Ring that bell if you want to be notified when my next video is posted. Until next time, take care, everyone.